Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to convert USDT to Shiba Inu on Binance. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to go to wallet right here and we have to go to fiat and spot. Now after fiat and spot, what we will have to do is we will have to go to converting. So let's go here and let's convert basically USDT to Shiba Inu. So we can go here to USDT, make sure to go to convert. And then once we're here on convert, we just need to wait it up so it can load it up. And then as you can see, we also have from USDT and we have here, we can type in here Shiba Inu, right? We can click on it. Because Binance supports Shiba Inu, we can exchange our USDT to Shiba Inu and then we can just click, OK, and then we will be able to exchange USDT for Shiba Inu. Now, if you want to exchange Shiba Inu to USDT, we can do it like this. We can just exchange it like this. So that's pretty much it, how it works. It's really simple, really straightforward. This is how to convert USDT to Shiba Inu on Binance. If you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll help you out. And thank you guys for watching.